Welcome to Bal Vatika. Today we are going to learn alphabets. You know which alphabets? A to M. Which alphabets? A to M. Okay, shall we start? Yes. Oh, it's A. A for apple. Red apple. Apple. Then next B. B for bus. Papa, it's our school bus. Let's go to school. B for bus. The next what? It's a C. C for meow. Cat. C for cat. And next D. D for quack quack. Quack quack. It's a duck. So pretty yellow duck. Then what comes after D? E. E for elephant. See, big and fat elephant. Ali the elephant. Now, after E, what comes? Oh, it's F. F for fish. Fish live in water. Yay! Now, after F, G. G for yummy grapes. Green grapes. Do you like grapes? Yes? Then what comes next? Oh, it's H. H for house. My lovely house. Isn't it? Now, next, I. I for ice cream. Yummy. Very sweet and cold. The ice cream. I like so much. See, pink and yellow and green. Now next one. Which one? J. J for joker. Yay. See, what comes after J? It's K. K for kite. It's my kite. Hello, kite. After K, what comes? It's L. L for lemon. Yellow lemon. Yellow lemon. What comes after L? It's M. M for moon. Oh, moon. Did you see the moon? Yes? Okay, thank you. Yay! So today we learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Then what comes after I? J, K, L, M. Yes. What we learned? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Yes. Today we learn A to L. Did you enjoy? Yes? And next video, what will we learn? Next video, we will learn some more alphabets. Which alphabets? N to Z. Next video, we will learn from N to Z. Yay! So, please like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.